You going on a ride, honey? Oh God, I'm sorry. I did not mean it.
There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
Miles, come. Come.
Turn around! Turn around! Tiggy, turn the fuck around! Jesus fucking Christ! Oh my God, you're so fucking dumb! Oh my God, you're so lucky I love you!
Aww. Oh my God. Stop!
You know you're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
Are you for real right now? Put the staple gun down right now. Right now.